Hi guys, I must warn you that this is not part 2 of my other video. Okay? Now, I'm going to take a marshmallow, stick it through toothpicks. Got another one, stick it through the toothpick. I'm going to take another marshmallow and stick it through the toothpick. But this time I am making another freeze pop, whatever you call it. Pour the rest of the juice in the bowl. Take this and just dip it in there and swirl it around till it's purple. Now I'm going to take some graham crackers and smush it around, and I will be using some chocolate as soon as I finish with this. Okay? Now let's get finished. It's stuck. Take. Nice. Now that we got chocolate in there and graham cracker in there, we're going to add some Starburst, actually, and a little peach drink. This little peach stuff right here, see? On it, it's kind of brownish, but it's good. I'm going to take 2 Starburst. Now that's up. Take one of these Starburst. Now we're gonna take it and put it in the freezer. Now, like and subscribe for part 2.